Hi everyone, I hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just coming over to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So full credit to Surfing for posting his trade setups in the Discord server right here. You know, amazing guy. He's been posting some amazing content. He just smashed the Solana trade. That was a whopper. Well done. You know, and this guy here, Bitcoin Bull, he's just recently joined the Discord server right here, the CoinsKid crew. Bitcoin Bull. He's just posted here a few days ago. I really ought to thank you as I put on 3 of your trades 3 days ago, and I think I just made about $18,000 basically. Well done. You know, full credit to you for paying attention, applying your stop losses, risk management. You know, well done. You know, but remember, nothing we say is financial advice, but we do have an amazing team and an amazing community that are back and forth with patterns, you know, trades, long, short, resistance, support, God candles, all that kind of business. And it's amazing to see that we've built this amazing community. Okay, it's a big up the CoinsKid crew. That's why I say it in every video, because you're all amazing. So far so good. You know, I love to see people making money, and this is good. You know, Bitcoin Bull's made some money. He's just recently joined. I think he put down there as well. What did he put? Where is this? The best £25 a month I ever spent on this crew. So, you know, he's reaped the rewards immediately. He's made $18,000 off a $25 investment to educate himself. So, you know, this is why I do say to you, join the Discord, get involved, take advantage of all that amazing content, because I am always on holiday. If you're fully aware, I am on holiday quite a lot because obviously I've got children. I've always been on holiday with my children. Whenever there's holidays at school, we always take time out. We go somewhere, you know, or just, you know, don't do any work because you spend time with your children. It's the way it is, because they're not always going to be with you, and this is something I relay to you. Okay, so right now, if you're not involved in the CoinsKid Discord, definitely get involved. You know, take advantage of all that amazing content, educational, trades, you know, whatever. Just get your ass in the Discord and take advantage of that amazing content. The links are on coinskid.com and in each and every single video description. Let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. So looking at XRP on the daily time frame, you can clearly see since this potential, anyway, absolutely not got a crystal ball or time machine or anything. It's just a certain scenario that happened in 2020 that I'm looking at as, you know, rinse repeat happening in 2023 basically. So what I'm looking at is potential ascending triangle that's going sideways into compression. You know, you get really, really tight into this compression pattern before eventually breaking it. Okay, so obviously there's no bias here. If we break down, like I said to you, keep moving your stops upon these lows. If we break down, you know, we're going to lose this 35-day ABC, because this is a scenario that happened way back in 2020, okay? And like I said to you, this is why we've been able to ride the wave so well this year coming up, because this is a rinse repeat of what happened in 2020. It's a leading diagonal, basically, and this happened in 2020. This is why I've been riding it like an absolute boss. You've got your 1, you've got your 2, you've got your 3, you've got your 4, you've got your 5, then your big macro ABC, 35-day ABC as well, which is absolutely ridiculous, because that's exactly what, you know, the big 5 wave move up from 2020 into the low 35 days as well. You know, so it's a very, very similar structure that we're carving out right now, in the sense that what we've done the 1, we've done the 2, we've done the 3, we've done the 4, we did the 5, and then we had the macro 35-day ABC for consolidating, holding the lows from which we came, and then we broke. Okay, we broke this leg of resistance, which is, you know, basically the same resistance that we find ourselves at right now for XRP. You know, we basically in this leg here is no different, in my opinion, to this leg where we are right now. So we're looking for a break above this green line and consolidate below this high. I think is increasing the probability that we're looking at a minimal target and that red line, okay, towards the end of the year right now. And obviously I keep telling you that the support for this particular scenario keeps creeping up, as was this support down here, keeps creeping up. You're falling back to it, everyone's getting super bearish. Oh no, you're going to zero. But once you took out this level of resistance here and you consolidated above just there, lower than that high, that was a looking glass. This is when I started making videos for the CoinsKid crew, because just there we've got a huge horizontal, big symmetrical triangle like that, really compressed. And it's at this point here, I remember we had a big crash down there onto the 20-week EMA. This is where I made a video for you guys telling you the next level is 197, and it was an amazing trade. Okay, so, you know, if we do start to break out here, we start to consolidate above this level of resistance, a green line at 054, and below this high here, then we're doing exactly what we've done before. So, you know, there's no bias here. Obviously, like I said to you, the support keeps moving upstairs right now, but from left to right, if you take a look at the 35-day ABC, we are compressing towards the right side, aren't we? You know, pretty much like what we did here. You know, sort of compressing towards this right side. We came up, we came down, compressed, and popped, consolidated, and broke towards that red line. So I think we've got a very similar scenario. We've got a huge move, corrective move, and a huge move basically for XRP. And I think, you know, from earlier this year in January, we just went to repeat. This is why I've been able to make so much money on these particular trades. We've got this huge 5-wave move up, the 35-day ABC, just like in 2020. And right now we're looking to consolidate, hold the low from which we've come, move towards the right, get compression, break, consolidate above this green line. Okay, if you do start to see that for XRP, start to consolidate up here like this in some kind of symmetrical triangle or whatever, or ascending triangle that's lower than that, then I'm going to be more biased towards saying, okay, I'm going to start to build some serious long positions with a break towards that red line. Okay, so obviously we're not completely out the woods, but so far so good. But one of the key things we need to see for this particular scenario to play out for XRP in the short term is Bitcoin. Like I said to you, Bitcoin is boss. If Bitcoin comes up and it takes out the July high at around about 31k, for me, you've got an amazing buy signal on XRP, whatever it's doing at the time. Okay, you just go long with your stop loss on the swing low, and boom, you're going to ride it up. You know, you're looking at that red line basically, potentially over the next few months, and this is something I've been looking at as a potential scenario. So again, the invalidation of such is these lows. Okay, if we start to break down, we're losing the structure. But one thing we're doing clearly at the moment off this 35-day EBC, pretty much like what we did in 2020. We're sort of moving sideways in these high-low situation, getting compressed towards these apex right now. So looking at some kind of ascending triangle carving out here potentially. But one thing we want to see is a break above this green line, hold this as support over a long period of time, lower than this high, consolidate, and then boom, we're out of there for XRP. If we start to see that, wow, we've absolutely nailed this market. Okay, when people are really, really fearful, you know, from January this year, we've absolutely nailed this market. So you enjoyed that update. Again, if you want more content, dive into the Discord server right there. Take advantage of all the trade setups, educational content. Back to another update in XRP. Okay, stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.